I'll give you a winter prediction. It's gonna be cold, it's gonna be gray, and it's gonna last you for the rest of your life.
Yep, because it's 81 degrees and sunny, and it's the first day of the farmer's market. Yay! Alright, let's check out the farmer's market. Alright, so as you can see, we are at the Doylestown Farmer's Market today. There are so many great producers and, of course, delicious food here. So we're going to be doing some shopping, and I'm going to take you along with us. Get off my sunlight! Get off my screen! Get off my stick! So let's talk about the ingredients we'll need, because today we are going to be making an incredible Microgreens pasta salad. First off, we have the pasta from Castle Valley Mill. It is a German and whole wheat. It looks amazing. So shout out to you guys at Castle Valley Mill. And then we have these fantastic microgreens we have sunflower shoots and a bunch of other great microgreens. Then off camera, we got these adorable little baby tomatoes. You can see them right here. They look incredible and adorable. And finally, we have some nice strawberries. As you can see, we have just rinsed them and they look great as well. So let's start making our pasta salad. All right, to make our fantastic pasta salad, of course, we need to start making the base, the pasta. So we have our pasta, about 2.5 cups here from Castle Valley Mill. You can see all the ridges over here, which will be great for holding our balsamic vinaigrette dressing. And as you can see, there's all the little ridges and stuff. It is actually called a radiator because it looks like a little radiator. So yeah, here's our pasta. Now we have several cups of water boiling on the stove, so we're going to add some salt and salt it thoroughly. So we're going to add that right here. And yeah. Next we want to add our pasta. So this is our 2.5 cups from Castle Valley Mill. And we are going to add all that into here because pasta is yummy. Also, I'd love to mention, if you ever are local in the Doylestown Farmers Market, the great thing about the microgreens, we got the sunflower shoots and everything. They're already prepared and ready for us to add to our salad, so that is absolutely fantastic. Let's start making our balsamic vinaigrette. First off, we need olive oil, regular yellow mustard, balsamic vinegar, and then we have garlic powder, oregano, and salt. And of course, the great part of making this super easy balsamic vinaigrette, all you gotta do, put the lid on and shake it. Ciao. I'm a ninja. Now we have our pasta cooked and cooled, but remember, before you add your microgreens to the pasta, pasta, remember to make the pasta cool down first, because if you heat up the microgreens, it'll be all wilty, and you do not want a wilty pasta salad. To eat it, you want to be fresh and vibrant. Things are gonna come together super quickly because it is super simple but amazing recipe. So first off, you want to add your beautiful microgreens over to your salad. And then you want these adorable little baby tomatoes, but of course you can use any variant of tomatoes that you would like. Then we're going to add our freshly chopped and quartered strawberries. And finally, pour some of that delicious dressing onto your salad. Wrapping up for this super simple recipe, let's just add a little black pepper to finish it off, and let's see how this tastes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It looks so amazing. This is so good. This is probably my best pasta salad ever tasted. Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah, boy. Alright, thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video has encouraged you to try this recipe at home because it is impeccable. Amazing. And yeah, I hope you'll subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Put me on Dance with the Stars, huh?